continuing lower. We talked about this yesterday. We broke through that consolidation pattern. We pushed lower. We're in a continuation of this trend. It's likely that we move to the lows right around 346 and 3/4. We are not that far away from it. So it's going to be interesting to see when we first test this. Oftentimes when you first test these previous lows, you do find support. So keep that in mind. If you're looking to sell some corn down here, you may actually get a little bit of a bounce and be able to price that a little bit higher. So just be cautious down there if you're a producer and you're looking to price some grain. Also, when you're looking at soybeans, we did get a little bit of a bounce today. What was the meaning of that bounce? Well, I think it was probably just a little bit of retracement. We continue to have this downtrend. We push into new lows, and then we have a little bit of a bounce back. I think, considering when you look at this chart, we broke through the lows that were back there in September, early October. Now we get a little bit of a bounce back. Keep in mind that that support that was there back in September and October, which acted as support, that typically, once you break through it, you'll have what's called a roll reversal. What was support now turns into resistance. So if we do get a little bit of a bounce back higher here for soybeans, keep in mind that that could act as a resistance level here in the coming during the trade session. Guys, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, please give the office a call. The number is 877-472-4607. Remember, if you haven't done so already, take a demo of that 14-day free trial. Just go to grainhedge.com, click on 14-day free trial, put in your information, and I'll make sure you get the training that you need to get the most out of that demo. See what it's like to have live quotes in the palm of your hand when you're out in the field. Instead of having to dial up a full-service broker, and perhaps you can get a hold of him, perhaps you can't get a hold of him. It's just nice to be able to have the ability to place trades to protect your crop when you're out in the field without having to go through another individual. So thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here on Thursday. We'll talk about ethanol production and where we are in terms of meeting USDA expectations.